Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Got the winning combination right here, rare and desirable. This is one of 519 total built 1968 RT Coronet convertibles. Total, with any engine, transmission combination, that's how many they made altogether. How many survived? Probably not very many. This one here, awesome factory colors, 440 number match motor, factory air, power steering, and power brakes in a convertible. This is one of a handful of cars, and again, desirable on top of it. Same owner since 1990. 31 years this gentleman's owned it that we bought it from. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and that's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. We currently have a couple hundred of them. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down. Join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is not a concourse, rotisserie restored, perfect car. Actually, a couple weeks ago, I sold a 1970 RT convertible that was rotisserie restored. $140,000, and it sold in 2 days. This is nowhere near that price. It's an extremely nice, clean survivor that's been maintained along the way. But underneath the car, the first thing I got to talk about are the floors. They're immaculate and they're original. I don't even think they've ever been spray painted on. So they're not patched up, they're not crunchy, they're not flaky, they're not pitted. It's beautiful, clean floors, the frame rails. The inner lower quarters look to be original. There's a little metal tab on the Mopar underneath here. Those are both still there. But the floors are super dry, clean metal. Drum brakes all the way around. They seem to be working fine. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The transmission was replaced at one time. The VIN number does not match, but it is a 727 torque flight. There's a tag on the side of it from a transmission shop. So before numbers matching meant anything, probably took it in, they just exchanged it. It does have the original 323. I think that'd be an 8 3/4 rear end in the car. The exhaust system's not new, but it's a dual exhaust in good shape. We did take it to the exhaust shop because they had a leak up by the manifold. They fixed that. The gas tank's been replaced. It's a galvanized tank. It looks very clean. Back in 2008, I have a receipt. The entire front end was completely taken apart and rebuilt. The shocks look pretty recent. So it's, like I said, been maintained. The body is really nice. I don't know how old the paint job is, but probably at least 20, 30 years old, and it shows really well. When you have a paint job that old, you know what you're getting. If there was packed with Bondo in that, it would be blistering and the car would be wavy. But this thing's really straight. The gaps line up real nice. And it's smooth. It's smooth all around here. This is all really good. I was inside the trunk inspecting, and this lower quarter was cut off and replaced. But the main quarter is still original, and this side is the original quarter panel. But look how the trunk fits real nice, no issues. It's all smooth down here, right around this wheel well lip, no bubbles. It's all nice, all real good. Gaps are really good. They have issues up here. This one does not. It's got the RT hood. These are usually pitted. They're nice and smooth. Windshield's crystal clear. It's got remote mirror and the matching mirror on that side. Door handles have probably been replaced. They look new. RT emblem looks new. Goodyear Eagle ST tires. That tells you how much it's been driven. I think those are probably 30 years old. So whoever buys it, you're going to want to put a new set of tires, even though they look new. The Magnum 14-inch wheels. They're in really good shape. They're not new, but look good. Got the fender turn signals. The bumpers with bumper guards. And all this stuff up here is not new, but it's all very nice. So the engine compartment, proper, respectable. Again, not concourse, but this is nothing to be ashamed of here. The engine bay is all clean metal, painted blue. This is a factory, they just call it blue metallic. It was born this color. So the metal's real nice. The original fender tag is still mounted to the fender. And again, you have factory air conditioning, which is not working currently. There's a new condenser in the trunk, so that will need to be installed, and then whatever service it will need, but it's all there. Stock manifolds, air cleaner, alternator looks newer, the horns are there, the squirter washer bottle's there. Very complete. Obviously has the stripe around the tail. This tail panel is really nice. Tail lights are mint. The right exhaust tips coming out the back. So there's a couple parts here. The original coil, here's the new condenser. You do have a jack and a spare. Trunk floor is solid as a rock. Weather strip's real good. It's painted blue in here. So it's all, again, respectable. Concourse, or I shouldn't even say concourse. Concourse just means it's correct. It is correct in here, but is it perfect and shiny? And no, but it's really nice and respectable and solid. It's a white convertible top in real nice shape. It's a power top that does work. These are actually bucket seats, and it has the buddy cushion in the middle. It's a fold up and fold down armrest, so you fold it up if you want to put the third person in the middle there. Getting back to the engine compartment, the big batteries bolted down properly. The master cylinder and booster look good. Chrome valve covers, got power steering like I mentioned. The horns are there. It all looks proper. Fan shroud looks good. It's a Mopar radiator. All the pieces on the firewall, the heater control valve, all that stuff is there. And other than the condenser, everything looks hooked up and proper. The paint job, I didn't really talk too much about the paint. It's a really nice looking paint job. 9 out of 10 people are going to think it's beautiful. If you want that perfect, $25,000 paint job, you'll be able to nitpick a little something, but no, this is a beautiful paint job. Door panels are nice. There's a little split in the armrest pad here. The seats are in good shape. It is missing one button on this seat here. It has blue seat belts, nice blue carpet. Here's the missing button down on the floor. The dash area is nice. It does look like they put new sticker wood grain on there, and it's a little bit, peeling up. But overall, it's not broken. It looks nice. The lens, it all looks real good. Did put a volt gauge down below the dash. Let's start it up. The AC and heater controls look good. The knob for the defroster, you can still work it, but the knob is broke off. Door jambs are respectable. I don't know if I open this door or not. Door jambs are clean. Bottom of the door is nice. It's a really good, honest car. I have to tell people it's not perfect because some people see the video, see the glossy pictures, they think they're buying a brand new car. It's not, but it's a really good car. I'm not ashamed of this one bit. Even the little interior lights in back are both working, and there is another little split in that armrest cushion. So the car is fantastic the way it is. Rare car, get the air working, great colors, throw some new tires on it, and you'll have yourself a true thoroughbred collector car. Again, desirability and rarity. I also have the build sheet. It's in a Ziploc bag. It's in pieces, but it's there, and you can read it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can contact the salesman. If you have any specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask, and they will help you out with that. They can also get this delivered. They can get it financed for you. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. It'll just send you notification when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching.